News at 5.
And thanks for choosing 23 ABC News at 5. I'm Jackie Parks.
And I'm Todd Carley. A major Hispanic prison gang has been shipped out of Kern Valley State Prison after prison officials say enough is enough. 23 ABC's Christine Din tells us how a riot years ago has led to the exile of that gang.
Today, Kern Valley State Prison shipped out the last of the Norteños, a northern Hispanic prison gang, making today the first day in 4 years the prison has been back to normal. It all started in 2009, when a large riot broke out between the Norteños and Sureños, a southern Hispanic prison gang, in which one Sureño inmate was killed.
For 4 years, the prison tried to reintegrate the two groups, but it proved unsuccessful.
The problem here is this was ground zero for the incident, the murder of the Southern Hispanic on this yard.
In March, another riot broke out between the Norteños and Sureños.
And multiple inmates were stabbed and received pretty severe injuries as a result of that riot.
Based on that, we've decided to ship the Northern Hispanics that we have here out.
Possibly in the nick of time. A couple weeks ago, officers conducted a sweep of inmate cells. Officials say typically they find 5 to 10 handmade weapons a week. But during that search, found nearly 30 weapons that week, all in the facility housing the Norteños and Sureños.
And one of the criterias for the Southern Hispanics dictated by the Mexican Mafia is that they have a weapon readily accessible at all times in case of something going on with one of the other disruptive groups.
So it looks like they were gearing up for something.
Possibly. And hopefully with this last decision to remove the Northern Hispanic population, it'll put a squash to this issue between the two groups, at least at Kern Valley State Prison.
Reporting from Kern Valley State Prison, Christine Din, 23 ABC.